Hi, I'm Linda.
I'm Karen.
Together we're the band Simple Gifts, and we're here to tell you about an exciting workshop we have for you.
Yes, I think it's one that you might find very interesting.
It's designed for people who don't play an instrument but wish they did. People of any age,
Any
right?
age,
A lot of
absolutely.
people think they're too old to start an instrument,
Yes.
but
Not
not
at all.
true, never true. The workshop is called I Wish I Played an Instrument. We'll be showing you 10 different instruments, and we'll talk about the pros and cons of each one.
Right.
What's hard or easy about it, and what you can do with each
And
instrument.
what am I holding here?
Ukulele,